Tired of manually saving and organizing your signed documents? This video will show you how to seamlessly integrate Docusign and Dropbox so your completed agreements are automatically saved for secure storage and easy access. Let's get started. First, log into your Docusign account, then navigate to the Integrations tab, usually found in the Settings or Profile menu. Look for the Dropbox integration. If you don't see it, you may need to search for it in the available integrations list. Once you find it, click Connect or Link Account next to the Dropbox logo. A Dropbox login window will appear. Enter your Dropbox email address and password, then click Sign In. Dropbox will ask for permission to allow Docusign to access your Dropbox account. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Allow. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a Dropbox folder where your signed documents will be saved. You can either select an existing folder or create a new one specifically for your Docusign documents. To create a new folder, click the New Folder button, name it something like Signed Docusign Agreements, and then click Create. Then, select the new folder to save to. Ensure that the Autosave feature is enabled. This will ensure that all future completed documents are automatically saved to your chosen Dropbox folder. And that's it. Now, whenever a document is fully signed in Docusign, a copy will automatically appear in your designated Dropbox folder, saving you time and keeping your documents organized. Enjoy the convenience of having your signed documents securely stored and easily accessible in Dropbox.